Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how we can simply create a plugin in WordPress. So let's start by a different plugin. It's really simple. So what you want to do is just click on add new plugin and search pluginception, like Inception. How do we just plug there? And you're gonna see here the plug Inception install now. And when you got it, let's activate it. And now when we have it right here, you're gonna see the create new plugin that you can do. Add here plugin name, slug, URL. It's like really easy. And then you get like plugin editor here that you can edit. So plugin name, new plugin. Okay. And now we have it. When I go to install plugins, I can see here the new plugin here. I will activate it. And what you can do, you just simply edit it. So this is how we do it. Thank you very much. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.